Today was by far the hottest day we have had so far this year. Temperatures all across the board in the 90s everywhere. Thankfully, locations right along the immediate coast have cooled down into the low to mid 80s thanks to that sea breeze coming off of the ocean. And you would think that within all the heat and humidity that we have had throughout the day today, we would have had a lot of thunderstorms firing up, and that is the case across portions of western North Carolina and eastern Tennessee. But thankfully, as you head eastward into the eastern Carolinas, we have a cap in the atmosphere, and that's pretty much not allowing any of that instability to go way up into the atmosphere and form those storms. Now, over the night tonight, we do have a very small risk for severe weather. God forbid that cap does break. And if those storms do develop, they have the chance to produce damaging winds as well as some large hail. The whole entire area is included within this severe weather risk. But once again, it is extremely unlikely that this cap will develop. But God forbid it does. Just be ready for the storms to produce those types of threats. As you head into your evening, once again, still a little toasty for your 7 p.m. hour, but eventually as you go close towards 11 p.m. temperature steady in the high 70s to low 80s. As you were heading out the door tomorrow morning, a very pleasant morning, especially right along the Grand Strand. Mostly clear skies, a little warm out there, but other than that, very nice. Temperatures right along the coastline in the low 70s, high 60s to low 70s, pretty much everywhere inland. Another very hot and toasty day ahead of us. Southwesterly winds dominating the whole entire southeastern region, whether you're in the Gulf Coast, Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, anywhere across the mid-Atlantic, you are going to be toasty as we head into the day tomorrow. Here's a look at those temperatures. Low 90s right along the coastline. Just west of that, 98 in Conway as well as 98 in Aner as well. And hardly any difference across much of the inland areas, 98 or 99 every single place that you go to. That is some hot temperatures right there. And you can guess that considering how hot the temperatures have been over the last 24 to 36 hours, we had the chance to break more records again. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, temperatures well into the mid to high 80s all across the PD and also on the border belt. Heat index as well into the triple digits. Not as hot right along the coastline with that sea breeze coming off the ocean, but still heat index as well into the mid to high 70s as well. Now, thankfully, the temperatures will start to decrease finally as you head into your weekend thanks to a cold front that'll be heading into our area this weekend, and that'll bring us our next shot of rain as well. And considering it has been a very hot minute since we have had any really good rain, this is definitely a Hail Mary to get us out of the moderate to severe drought that we are currently in right now. Still a little toasty for your Saturday, temperatures in the 80s and 90s, maybe also for your Sunday as well, but probably as you head into Monday and Tuesday, that's when we're pretty much going to be seeing the biggest. That's when we're probably going to be seeing the biggest change as far as talking about temperatures. Here's your 10-day forecast right along the immediate coast. Still a little toasty for your Friday. A big cool down going into your Saturday and Sunday. We're back finally into the 80s. Much better shots for rain for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And eventually, once again, all in the 80s for next week. We're staying well out of the 90s, so not having to worry about any more extreme heat as you head into next week. Here's your forecast inland. 99 tomorrow. Heat index is well into the triple digits, still remaining in the low to mid 90s for your Sunday, and for the start of next week, much better shots of rain all throughout next week. For more information, check out leamsweather.org.